Hey guys, Odie here with Salem, and today we're going to go through the 2021 31KQBTS. Let's get started. So one of the biggest separators of the 31KQBTS is going to be the Versa Queen. Not only is it a sofa with a bunk over top, it's also a queen bed. So what you're going to do, you're going to take the two cushions off. You're going to come here, you're just going to pull this out, nice and easy, and there you have it. That is the Versa Queen. Another separator with our competition is going to be our stow and go storage. Now, the stow and go storage is absolutely phenomenal for the simple fact that you're going to get 20.3 cubic feet of storage on every single model with a slide. It's going to be located right underneath the sofa. You're going to pull this out, and you're easily just going to pull these out. And not only are they storage bins, but these are dry food safe storage bins. Not only can they be used just strictly in the camper, but I recently had a customer tell me that what they do when they go camping with these, they give these bins to their kids, and they tell their kid to go inside and load up all their personal items. You know, video games, blankets, stuffed animals, etc. That way they have a dual usage. They don't have to have a duffel bag, an extra suitcase, or etc. You know, it's another easy thing that we do to help you and your family go camping a lot easier. So now we have the Versa Lounge. The beautiful thing about the Versa Lounge is you're going to have your traditional sofa and your beautiful U-shaped dinette. Not only do you get that, but you're also going to have slide-in windows that give you that full pass-through breeze, and also huge panoramic windows that are going to go from the top of the sofa all the way to the top of the slide. You have that also combined with an actual blackout shade for those bright and sunny days to block out the light. And yeah, that's the Versa Lounge. Wait, I'm missing something. There's more. Hang tight. With so much of the industry being so standard and, I don't know, typical, you know, the beautiful thing about our brand is that the separator that we have with this Versa Lounge, it brings so much more versatility than any other brand out there, period. I mean, look at this. I mean, this was the same traditional setup that we gave you before, but you also get this in addition to that. Not only am I comfortable, I'm relaxed, I'm chilling, I'm looking at the beautiful entertainment center there, I've got a fireplace just breezing the heat. I mean, this is what you want when you go camping. You want versatility, is what we do best. Just that simple. So here is our third and final phase of the Versa Lounge. Not only do you get two queen beds, you get 3 bunks, and you get this. Look at this. Now that is versatility, and that's what we bring you. Another one of our separators is going to be our Ever-Chill fridge. Now this is an 11 cubic foot fridge, and it's 100% 12 volt. Now the beauty of that is that not only is it not going to take any extra LP or 110 power to power it, all right, it's also going to be fully operational temperature within an hour of turning it on. Last year in the storage in the kitchen, what we had was 3 individual doors with handles on them, okay? So what we decided to do was, in order to clean that up, we decided to go ahead and take the fronts off, add 3 doors on the inside, place 1 panel on the front to give it a nice, seamless, and clean look. Now, it's going to utilize the actual space within that storage drawer. It actually can have about 33% more than what it did before. We've all heard of the old lazy Susan, right? Well, let me introduce to you the younger, more versatile sibling, Active Susie. And last but certainly not least is the Congolium sheet vinyl flooring. Not only is it resilient, stain resistant, and extremely durable, it looks great. As part of the best in class feature, this also comes equipped with a power tongue jack. It's a 3,500 pound capacity, and it also comes with a light. Also comes with a 7-way plug with its own custom holder. It also comes equipped with full pass-through storage that's finished off, and it has a light. It's also accessible from the inside in the bedroom. Now we have the entry step, and this year we had a wider top step. This is basically going to be your platform when you step in. Also, the legs are a lot easier this year than they were before. Also, when it's in place, another benefit this year is that there are 2 pins on the inside. You remove both pins, now the step can easily be removed outside of the camper. That's just in case you ever get in a situation where there's stuff in the way of the step and you can't put it all the way out. Now you can go ahead and just remove it and get it out of the way. So another additional feature in 2021 is going to be the addition of the coax cable on the outside kitchens. And if it doesn't have an outside kitchen, it will still be on the camping side under the awning. Another one of our key separators is going to be the accessibility. The accessibility is so nice because it's derived of multiple panels that make it very easy and streamlined for service. All you got to do is remove 6 screws, drop the panel, fix it, put them back, and you're good to go. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in on the 2021 Salem 31KQBTS. For more information or any other questions you have, visit our website at forestriverinc.com. Thanks again.